Thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at modeling arithmetic sequences from a table. So let's begin. Okay, so in this example, we're given a table and we're told to construct an explicit rule in function notation for the arithmetic sequence represented in the table. Then interpret the meaning of the specific term of the sequence in the given context. Okay, so what we want to do here is first figure out, we want to write the explicit rule. So I've got the bare bones explicit rule, and what we want to do is find the two things we need. We need the first term and the common difference. Okay, well, the first term is easy. That's going to be 20 here. All right, and then what we want to do is find the common difference. So to find the common difference, we'll do 32 minus 20, and that's going to get us 12. And just to double check, do 44 minus 32, and that's 12. And since it's going up, you'll know it's positive 12. Okay, so now I'm going to fill those values in for f of 1 and d. So I got f of n is equal to f of 1, which is my first term, 20, plus d, which is 12. I'm going to multiply that times n minus 1. So this is the explicit rule for this function or this sequence. Okay, next it says determine the value of f of 10 and tell what it represents in this situation. Okay, so I'm going to get to what it represents in a minute, but first I want to figure out what the value will be for 10. So what you'll need to do is replace the n with 10 all the way through. So trying to figure out this function when you have 10. So I got 20 plus 12 times 10 minus 1. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve and figure out what f of 10 is going to be. So I've got 20 plus 12, and 10 minus 1 would be 9. And then 12 times 9 is going to get us 108. And then 20 plus 108 will be 128. Okay, so that gives us 128 here. So now we want to determine what it means in context. Okay, so basically the table shows the distance is miles from the store after Mila has traveled for n hours. So the 10 is going to represent how many hours she's traveled, and the 128 is going to show the distance in miles. So that means Mila is 128 miles from the store after 10 hours. And that is modeling an arithmetic sequence from a table. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.